Hello, my Leo out there. Welcome back to my channel, Mysterious Girl Soumya. I am your tarot card reader, healer, and a stylist chef. I'll be doing reading for your November guidance. What will be happening with you in love and career regarding in November? Okay, guys, especially for my Leo subscribers and viewers out there. So, what are you waiting for? Let's check out. Angel Spirit, please guide me. What is there for my Leo in November? Okay. I feel you are working very hard. You think a lot while working. Like, you are thinking a lot about your past, that what had happened in your past. Okay, especially in your love life, in your career, but most of you are thinking here regarding your past, like what has happened, like nothing, you feel stuck while working. Okay, so but you don't have to worry, guys, you will definitely get your justice. Everything will be in your hands sooner. Okay, angel spirit, please guide me. What is there in love and in career for Leo? Okay, I got the star. See, you are like a star person. You are a star. You have that universe in you, and universe is definitely with you, Leo. Okay, so you don't have to worry. Universe is with you. You have to just manifest it in very pure way. Okay, and definitely you have to keep your prayers go on so that you can get your justice. And I feel like for most of you, this person thinks about you while working, and they will be coming with your marriage proposal. Okay, see, you had a heartbreak in past. As I told you, you had a heartbreak in the past because of third parties. There was some third party involved in your love situation. And for others, you had a heartbreak regarding your job, that you have lost your job. For others, it could be a business related heartbreak. So, but definitely you will get your prize. You will get that justice a lot. Okay, your person is deeply thinking about you right now, and definitely you will get the marriage offer for sure. For others, you could get a deal offer. As I told, there is a sun card, there is a big hope for you all. Okay, so keep on hoping. Be energetic. You are energetic. Your person can be energetic for you. They are passionate about you, and they are watching you from far right now. Right now, they are stalking you, Leo. Okay, right now they are not able to come on because their own people are guiding them very wrong regarding you, or you could be stuck to in same situation. Okay, you are not able to sleep. This person is not able to sleep at night. You are just overly thinking regarding your love. See, this person is not able to come right now. You are in a big twin flame journey, guys. I am getting the hangman again. Hermit. So he this person will definitely take a leap of faith. He will make decision very slowly. Right now they are just stalking you on social media. They are just preparing themselves. When they will be coming, they will be coming with big abundance. Okay, guys, see, you are in a twin flame journey, most of you, and others you are in a karmic. Angel spirit, please guide me. What is there for Leo in love and love? What is there for Leo in love? Spirit, please guide me. What is there for Leo in love? Okay, pay attention to the red flags. The sign is cautious you. I feel like you have to pay attention whatever signs you are getting, especially your red flags, because this person can come anytime towards you. Okay, like I am having a feeling you are having a talk with this person, but they are not taking a moment. For others, this person has blocked you in social media, or you could have blocked them too. You have a very passionate chemistry, okay, with this person or someone new in your life if you are dealing with them right now. Okay, so you have to allow your heart to that more energy come towards to you or go towards to them. Okay, there is lots of attraction between you both. Reconciliation is stopping right now because, as I told you, this person is stuck very badly in some work areas, financial issues, and for others, they are stuck with the third parties, motherly issues. For some people, they could be a married, for other, they could be a divorcee, separation. You had a breakup with this person, you had blocked each other. Okay, but this person have a big realization. There is a children involvement in your love situation, guys. Okay, you could be pregnant or you have a talks like you will have a children in coming future. For most of you, this person is married, a divorcee. For most of you, this person can have a children. Okay, but they want you. You are having a guilt right now. Okay, regarding your career and love, you are having a big guilt. So you have to get out of that guilt because these things are no longer serving you. As I told you, you are not able to sleep at night. Something is haunting you every day. You are going on over stressful energy and on depression too for this person. You are holding on to your past, so don't hold. Nothing will be left for you then. You don't have to be a miser regarding your money, career, business, your partner, past partner, present partner. Take what resonate, okay? So you don't have to hold on it. You just have to move on, let it go. Nothing is going from your hand, so don't be a miser. Okay, let's see more. I feel you feel alone. Okay, Leo. At a time, you are a lonely kind of person from inside, but you're not alone. Universe is with you. They are giving you lots of hope, lots of light. So don't be in a sorrow. Just let it go and do do what you want. Okay, don't like just be alone. Okay, so this was my reading and hoped you all liked it. And you just need to listen to your inner voice, guys, because end of the deck is inner voice. Okay, so Leo people out there, hope you all liked my reading. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, otherwise you don't get to know about your life in general reading also. So just subscribe my channel. Don't forget to like and comment if it resonated with you. Okay, and I keep on giving free takeaway, guys. Whosoever subscribe my channel, follow me on Instagram, especially new people, there is a free giveaway reading for you all if you want it. So subscribe my channel, be regular, be active there, and follow me at Instagram, Tarot with Soumya, and you can follow me on Facebook group too, Tarot with Soumya. Okay, because I do live reading over there, but it's only for new people who don't know about their situation. Okay, rest is up to you people. Thank you everybody. Bye bye.